We have 10 things you'll love about Disney Dream,
Yay!
starting with the Poolside Snacks. Disney Dream has these stands next to the pool. The area is called Flo's Cafe, and they've got these different walk-up stands where you can go and you can get like pizza at Luigi's Pizza, or you can go to Tomaters and get what I love is the chicken tenders and fries. They've also got Fillmore's Favorites, which has healthier options like salads and wraps. And there's also the Frozone, which has ice cream. What's the second thing people love about the Disney Dream?
The ice cream bars, the Mickey ice cream bars, they're the best.
Oh, yeah. And what makes them so special?
Is that you can order them at any time and they'll come to your stateroom or your room. So awesome. I always ordered mine in the evening before I went to bed. So it's my late night snack or dessert. So great. And you can order as many as you want and they don't cost anything extra because they're part of your cruise.
Cool. So, literally cool.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So Mickey ice cream bars delivered to your stateroom. What a cool option. The third thing that you'll love about the Disney Dream is the 3 dining experiences. It's called Rotational Dining. They have 3 different main dining rooms that you'll dine in the different nights of your cruise. And you'll get a chance to dine at each of them. And your server will follow you, whether it's the Enchanted Garden or the Royal Palace, or I think our favorite, Animator's Palette. They will follow you, and you'll have the same server every night. They'll know your preferences. They'll know who you are, meet you by name, serve you great food with unique themed experiences in each of the dining rooms. And of course, delicious food, Disney fun, Disney quality every night. 3 different entertaining food options. What is the fourth thing?
The fourth thing is Palo. If you have a chance to do Palo brunch or Palo dinner, it's their Italian restaurant. It's so good.
Yeah.
And their service is excellent.
Amazing service.
The food is so good.
Well, they got the brunch. And so here's the brunch. This is the antipasta. It's an appetizer of seafood that you can get. That was really delicious. I think we both got that. And of course, they also have dinner and brunch. Here's some scallops.
Oh, the scallops were amazing.
Yep. And I think you also had the pasta.
I did. It's so good.
Very good. So pay a little extra, but get a special adults-only experience at Palo. They also have Remy, which is the French specialty dining restaurant.
Really?
So a couple of great options that you will love on Disney Dream. Number 5 is, we talked about the adult-only dining options. Well, now here's some adult-free zones, the kids and teen clubs. They've got, on the Disney Dream, they've got really cool kids clubs, the Oceaneer, Circle C. They've got the kids for different ages. They've got themed areas like Andy's Room. If you're a Star Wars fan, they may recognize the Millennium Falcon area, and the kids may also recognize a familiar friend.
Aww.
Very cool. They spent a lot of effort in creating magical areas for the kids to play in, and they've got an area for all ages, including the teenagers. What's number 6?
The Quiet Cove adults only area.
Yeah.
So there you have the bar and the pool, and you can relax. You don't have to try and fight to get into the pool or to get a lounge chair, because it's always quiet and serene. It's no kids running around.
No kids. You can dip your feet in the pool while you're ordering your frozen cocktail. And they've also got the Cove Cafe, the little coffee shop that's got fancy coffee drinks. They even have some spiked coffee drinks, and they have complimentary baked goods as well.
That's a great place to hang out and read my book. Oh.
We really enjoyed that.
Yeah.
Now, let's bring the kids back in the picture, because everybody loves number 7. The 7th thing you'll love about the Disney Dream is Venellope's.
Yes.
From Wreck-It Ralph. It's the candy and ice cream shop with delicious food options, such cool theming, and even their ice cream sundae that we got is put together in a little Venellope's car that you can take home with you.
Yeah, I was on a sugar high.
Oh, yeah, it was a lot of food, a lot of delicious sweets.
It was good.
Yeah, so you'll love it. Be sure to check out Venellope's. It's kind of tucked away over there by the Cabanas Buffet. What's number 8?
Number 8 is Onboard Entertainment. There's so many. There's shows. There's the movies, the stage shows like the Golden Mickeys. There's a sail away show. I mean, there's so many different shows going on that it's just fun to watch. You can see Beauty and the Beast or the Golden Mickeys. They're like musical events.
Yeah, and they've also got first run Disney movies playing in the theater. The sail away party, like we're showing here. So many fun.
The pirate
entertaining
night.
activities.
Oh.
Yep, and fireworks on some occasions if the weather permitting. That's very cool too. Number 9 is there's so many fun activities. Fun for everyone. Of course, they've got the pools and a lot of fun activities that take place on the pool deck day or night. And they've got the aqueduct. You can go through there in a fun raft, go through the tube on top of the ship, fly right through one of the funnels. Very cool. They've also got other activities for kids and adults alike, like the class we took, the animation class. Learned how to draw a Disney character. In our case, it was Stitch.
Yay! What a cutie.
We had a lot of fun doing that. And other activities, trivia and karaoke. And for the kids or adults, whole family together, you can go to the Midship Detective Agency and you can explore one of three different mysteries, solve them as you go around the Disney Dream looking for clues. The Midship Detective Agency, a very unique experience for kids and families alike on the Disney Dream. Now, just for the adults, they do have some activities that are reserved for the adults, like wine tasting classes, mixology classes, bourbon class. A lot of fun, different activities that you can explore there as well. What is number 10?
The Princess and Disney character meets. It's so exciting.
You can meet Cinderella. You can meet all the princesses, a bunch of different princesses.
You can talk to them.
Yep. You can go and you can meet like we did. We met some of the characters, like we met Mickey, and I think you met Peter Pan.
There's me and Stitch.
Yep, there we are with Stitch. So that's our 10 things you will love about the Disney Dream. If you enjoyed that information, we have more videos on Disney cruises and more videos on cruises in general. So if you haven't done so yet, be sure to subscribe. It doesn't cost anything to follow us. It's just a way to follow us, subscribe by clicking below. And if you haven't done so, click the thumbs up icon to give us a like.
That's right.